Hi everyone, this is Vivek from Tech 101. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can sniff username and password of HTTP sites using wireshark. So without any delay, let's start our video. Before starting our video, be sure to subscribe our channel and click on bell icon to receive the notification of our upcoming videos. So for this, open wireshark. Now you can see an interface like this. Here, choose Wi-Fi, and this will capture all the packets inside your network. So let me go to my HTTP website. So let me simply search HTTP website. Okay, HTTP website login. So I want to sniff username and password. So here is a vulnerable app, testphp.vulnerweb.com. So let's click here. Okay, it is loaded. So we are going to sniff the username and password entered right here. Okay, so let me enter a random username. Password 12345, and now click on login. After this, go back to wireshark and click on apply or display filter, and here you have to type http.request.method is equals to post. I will provide this command in the description of this video. Now click on this blue arrow, and here you can see the post request. Click there, and here you can see this website use hypertext transfer protocol, and here you can see HTML form URL, or you can simply double click on it. As you can see here, under this HTML form URL encoded section, the form item username is equals to the username that we have entered here. So previously we have entered this username and password, and the password is 12345. So guys, how's this video? If you like this video, give us a thumbs up, and if you have any problems while following the steps shown here, please don't hesitate to comment below. Thank you for watching.